blizzard warning in effect from 4 p.m. this afternoon to 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 4 p.m. this afternoon to 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. The blizzard watch is no longer in effect. Locations: coastal Essex County and east coastal Plymouth County and Cape Cod. Hazard types: heavy snow. Accumulations: snow accumulation is 10 inches. Timing: this afternoon and tonight. Temperatures in the lower 30s, falling to the upper 20s to around 30 tonight. Impacts: snow-covered roads will result in hazardous driving conditions. Blowing and drifting snow. Winds north 25 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Visibilities: 1/4 mile or less at times. A blizzard warning is issued when sustained winds or frequent gusts over 35 miles per hour are expected with considerable falling and or blowing and drifting snow. Visibilities will become poor with whiteout conditions at times. Those venturing outdoors may become lost or disoriented, so persons in the warning area are advised to stay indoors. Winter weather advisory remains in effect from 10 a.m.